Up next, from the hills of Uttarakhand, with 3 wins, 1 loss, she's kickboxing and wushu medalist. She's also known as the Mountain Storm. Let's welcome in the red corner, Monica from Uttarakhand. And now, let's welcome her opponent from Haryana's wrestling ground. With 8 wins, no losses, she's also known as Undefeated Queen. She's junior gold medalist in wrestling, also known as the Desi Dominator. Let's welcome Sandhya from Sonipat in the blue corner.
मैं संधिया देसी ग्रिल की रानी दाल रोटी खा के बनाया ये जिस्म काली प्रोटीन ना बस दूध का ग्लास ठंडा मेरी ताकत की ना कोई सप्लीमेंट का धंधा मिट्टी से उठी है मिट्टी में गिरा दूंगी एक साल तो घुमा के तेरा सपना उड़ा दूंगी कोने पे खड़ा भी ना पैगी जाए जमीन चारों खाने चिटप तेरा सीन खत्म स्क्रीन वर्टो सल्टो संधिया का साल्टो चारों खाने चितू तक की पत्ते देख के गेम खेलो वर्टो सल्टो देसी का जमाल हो कैमरा प्रोटीन पे मैं खाड़ा गला दो वर्टो सल्टो संधिया का साल्टो चारों खाने चितू तक की पत्ते देख के गेम खेलो वर्टो सल्टो देसी का जमाल हो कैमरा प्रोटीन पे मैं खाड़ा गला दो अरे भाई अब बैठे जाके सो
मेरी ग्रिप लोहे की स्पीड बुलेट ट्रेन ओपोनेंट देखे तो उसका दिल इधर से ड्रेन कोई ना आगे कोई ना साइड में आए एक साल तो मैं उसका घमंड टूट जाए सब्जी दाही खा के बनी ये बॉडी टाइट माँ के हाथ का खाना मेरी असली फाइट जंगल की छोरी हरियाणवी स्वैग पुश देगा स्लैग डाउन ठग ठग वर्टो सल्टो संधिया का साल्टो चारों खाने चिकू तक के पकड़ने का गेम खेलो वर्टो सल्टो देसी का जमाल हो चारों प्रोटीन पे मैं खाड़ा गला दो वर्टो सल्टो संधिया का साल्टो चारों खाने चिकू तक के पकड़ने का गेम खेलो वर्टो सल्टो अच्छा दहला दो देसी पहलवान का जीत का झंडा गड़ा दो
This is UFL 14 and we are live from Mohali in Chandigarh, and this fight is the co-main event of the evening. We've got Sandhya in the blue corner. Oh, and she takes on Monica in the red. Oh, straight away, showing in a lot of wrestling domination. Sandhya throws her opponent down, moves to the side control. Oh, takes the mount. Can prove to be devastating for Monica. Sandhya is adjusting her hooks and now throwing in those strikes from... Oh, Monica is back on her feet. Throws in a kick. There's a wonderful sight here, ladies and gentlemen. We've got Sandhya's mother, I think, cornering her. It's a beautiful sight. Oh! We've got Sandhya on the mount once again. And everyone's shouting, Sandhya! Oh, this is a reversal by Monica. The beautiful side is we've got Sandhya's mother in her corner.
Sandhya's corner, asking her, lock lagao. Sandhya is trying her best. You know, she's got the mount. She's got a high mount. She just needs to control it, secure that high mount, control it, and then land strikes. There's a little bit of size difference here between Sandhya and Monica, and I think Monica ko usi ki advantage mil rahi hai. But Sandhya so far has been pretty skillful with this fight. Crowd here cheering for Sandhya. I think what referee needs to do is break them up and let them be back onto their feet, because there's absolutely no action. It's a very different kind of north-south.
ने जो शो पुट ऑन किया है, दैट इज आउटस्टैंडिंग. इनके देयर एफर्ट इज कमेंडेबल. जिस तरह से अभी तक लड़कों ने अपना दमखम दिखाया है, उस तरह से जो है संध्या ने बहुत ही अच्छा टेक डाउन किया. अभी ब्रिलियंट टेक डाउन डन बाय संध्या. दमखम दिखाने में लगता है ये अपना दमखम दिखाएगी.
बिल्कुल. आपने नहीं बीच में पंकज.
Last 10 seconds.
Size difference between both these ladies. Sandhya is a little bit short. And that's Sandhya's mom. That's Sandhya's mom. That's round number 2. You can hear the cheering. We are in Punjab. And let's get round number 2 started. Oh. Sandhya goes in, drops the opponent again.
She's again able to put a full mount on the girl.
She's got the mount. Needs to convert it to a full mount. Couple of more transitions from here, but she needs to do more. She needs to keep moving. She needs to show in the domination and not sit there. You know, the best is to throw in those hammer fist, वहाँ से punches फेंके, short strikes फेंके, and ये professional bout is she can also throw in elbows. Stuck in a very awkward. Oh, Sandhya reverses. It's a very weird kind of northeast southwest kind of a position.
पिछले राउंड में भी ये लुक लगाने की कोशिश की गई थी।
Big right hand by Sandhya.
That was cheeky. That was quite cheeky, sir, but intelligent also.
I think Monica looks a little bit slow. So what Sandhya needs to do is stand. Wrestling power. That's pure wrestling.
Exactly. Pure Haryanvi power, sir. Sandhya.
Pure Sonipat thunder wrestling.
Head out, she needs to head out and secure the high guard and then throw punches, throw a lot of punches, throw punches in numbers and mix it up with short strikes also, you know, could be elbows, could be hammer fists. She's got the hand, but you know another thing is I think what she's lacking is and this becomes the
Sandhya is waiting for us.
Last 10 seconds.
round number 3, and again a repetition of what we saw in round number 1 and round number 2. Sandhya is again on the mount, but she's unable to secure that mount and keep on going with it.
Sandhya is on a very dominant position since the round 1.
And she'll definitely score points, but I think what we need to see as fans is finishes. We need to see the finishes.
वेरी क्लियर रूल्स है, फाइट एंड होने वाली है और मोनिका को उस टाइम पे फिनिश चाहिए। एंड जो ये ग्राउंड से उठ के ऐसा कभी मुझे लगता नहीं संध्या का ये अच्छा मूव है। मोनिका कैन गेट अ फिनिश आल्सो। is going for a guillotine और it looks very deep but third round है सर, तो इस टाइम तक मुझे लगता नहीं कि ज़्यादा इफेक्ट करेगा मोनिका पे। एंड मोनिका के पास सिग्निफिकेंट साइज एडवांटेज तो है ही, तो आई डोंट थिंक सो शी इज गोइंग टू टैप आउट, बट दिस इज अ वेरी डेंजरस सिचुएशन फॉर संध्या आल्सो। दिस इज नॉट द राइट टाइम टू टेक हर टू द ग्राउंड। और मुझे और मोनिका जिस तरह से धीरे धीरे शी इज बीन एबल टू, आई थिंक वो फुल माउंट ले लेगी सर वहाँ पे। Again, Sandhya is too powerful. Sandhya ने किस तरह से, it was a beautiful reversal जो संध्या ने लिया है अभी।
Last 10 seconds.
This might secure the win for Sandhya. Sandhya will get a very dominant win over here.
So after 3 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecard. And judges have declared Sandhya as the winner